left-right order. Lay the arm flat wide. Apply and rub oil in from lower arm to the entire arm and snap to the fingers 3 times. Push the entire arm with both palms 3 times. Push hands upwards, tracing 3 main collateral channels: large intestine meridian (LI), triple energizer meridian (TE), small intestine meridian (SI), to armpits with fingers spread and hook pointing upwards 3 times. Caress the treatment area 3 times. Trace and rub 3 main collateral channels on arms with leading finger back and forth till them turn hot 3 times. Caress the treatment area 3 times. Lay inner arm upwards and push hands tracing 3 in channel on inner arm, lung meridian (LU), pericardium meridian (PC), heart meridian (HT), to armpit, with hook pointing upwards 3 times respectively. Rub 3 channels back and forth with leading fingers 3 times. Caress the treatment area and slide to the fingers. Repeat previous operation on another side. Apply gel evenly on the arm 1 minute. 40,000 dissolved fat operation. 40,000 ultrasonic dissolves fat at a rate of 40,000 times per second, and then removes the fat through body metabolism. Mode A, constant mode, suitable for thick fat and those who opt for general weight reduction. Mode B, constant mode, suitable for those with moderate fat and stable weight reduction in fact. Adjust the energy parameters, adjust the energy to full, adjust the mode to B, the intermittent mode. The technique is, lay arms fat wide and start from fat part of lower arm, tracing 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Move the device in annual motion, tracing 3 channels to armpit 3 times. You may double the operation on flabby arms 3 to 5 times. Trace the 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Lay inner arm flatwise and push 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Move in small circular motion on the fat part of the upper arm to dissolve fat 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Apply RF cream evenly on the arm. RF shaping. RF stimulates collagen regeneration, improves shaping, and prevents sagging and relaxation after metabolizing fat. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to full, mode to B, smart mode, Mode A, Fixed Mode. Off handle reaches the set energy value after the device is on, and the red LED lights up, suitable for those who need firming and anti-aging, and those with strong adaptability. Mode B, Smart Mode. Off reaches the set energy slowly after the device is on, and the red LED lights up after the handle touches the skin, suitable for beginners. Trace 3 channels on lower arm to armpit 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Combine with the hand, trace 3 channels on lower arm to armpit 3 times. Lay inner arm flatwise and push 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Move the device in annual motion, tracing 3 channels to armpit 3 times. Trace 3 channels on upper arm to armpit 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Please note, avoid the wash face with overheated water, hot spring, steam saunas, or strong exercise within 7 days. Avoid the bath within 4 to 6 hours. Keep warm after operation. Do not eat cold food. Drink plenty of warm water to stay hydrated and accelerate metabolism. Wipe the arms with hot towel.